friends, you all know that Holi is around the corner. So क्या होली से related vocabulary नहीं सीखनी चाहिए? Namaste and welcome back to another special episode of celebrating Holi, the festival of colors. I am Smriti, your educator, and today we are going to dive into the vibrant world of Holi and going to explore some exciting words, or you can say vocabulary related to Holi. So, if you find this video interesting and informative, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and yes, do hit the notification bell so you can get all exciting and informative videos. Now this video is for everyone. If you are a beginner or आपको बहुत सारी English आती है, you can still watch this video. Yes. So first word is gulal. Gulal is colored powder. Thandai, spiced milk, or you can say spiced almond milk. Pichkari, water gun or squirt gun. Holika Dahan, Holika bonfire. Gujia, delicious. Sweet dumplings or sweet turnovers. Gubbare, पानी के गुब्बारे. Water balloons. Yummy, dahi bada, my favorite. Yogurt soaked lentil fritters. Pakode or pakodi. Fritters. Malpua. Pancake. Now guys, अब जो मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ ना, you will be surprised कि हमारे इंडिया में एक ऐसी जगह भी है जहां पर चिता की राख से होली मनाई जाती है. चिता को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? फायर. फायर. राख को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? The English is ash. So चिता की राख की होली को we can say in English ashes of fire. आप मुझे कमेंट करके बताइएगा चिता के राख से होली इंडिया के किस पार्ट में मनाई जाती है? Another very famous tradition to celebrate Holi is Latmar Holi. Now, Latmar को हम इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? Stick hitting. So this was all about the vocabulary related to Holi. I hope you celebrate the Holi with fervor and festivity. See you in next video. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and happy Holi to all of you.